You're probably overwhelmed by app reviews that all say the same thing. This is the best. But here's the truth. There is no single best note-taking app. There's only the best for your brain. In this video, I'll show you the top free options for 2026, what they're actually good at, what they hide behind paywalls, and how to pick the right one without wasting a week of your life. I've tested all of these on real projects, not just installed them for a day. Before we dive in, let me be transparent. I'm not sponsored by any of these apps. My testing criteria are simple: free tier limits, sync reliability, markdown support, mobile experience, and how fast you can capture a thought. I've also factored in offline access and export options. I'll tell you where each app fails, because that's what YouTube tutorials usually skip. Let's get into the top contenders. Obsidian is free for personal use. It's all local files, which means you own your data, and it has a massive plugin ecosystem. The catch: you need to be okay with a learning curve, and mobile sync isn't free unless you use third-party tools like Git or their paid sync service. If you love backlinks and graphs, Obsidian is brilliant. But if you want a simple, out-of-the-box sync, this might frustrate you. Notion is great for all-in-one workspace people. The free plan is generous for solo users, unlimited pages, but there's a 5 MB file upload limit per file. It's fantastic for databases and project notes, but I've seen it get slow with big pages. And offline mode is limited on mobile. Notion's real problem is that it tries to be everything. So if you just want quick notes, it's overkill. Evernote has had a comeback. In 2020. 6. The free tier now gives you 60 MB of monthly uploads, which is tiny, and you can only sync on 2 devices. It's still excellent for web clipping and search, but the free tier feels like a trial. If you don't need heavy features, Evernote's simplicity can be nice. But honestly, I'd only recommend it if you're already in their ecosystem. If you're all about Apple devices, Apple Notes is shockingly good. It's free, with no real limits. You get inline tags, quick notes, backlinks, and it supports checklists and drawing. The catch: it's basically useless on Windows or Android. But if you're in the Apple ecosystem and need clean, fast syncing, this is probably the most underrated free app. It's my daily driver for quick thoughts. Google Keep is perfect for quick voice notes and checklists, but it's not a real note-taking app. No folders, limited formatting, and search is basic. Joplin is open source and free, with E2E encryption, and it works offline. The trade-off is that Joplin's interface is clunky, and you'll need to set up your own sync. If you want security and don't mind a little setup, Joplin is a winner. If you want zero friction, Keep is fine. Let's quickly mention Upnote, which has a great free tier but limits you to 50 notes. That's a bit of a tease. Also, Logsec is a decent Obsidian alternative, but its sync is confusing. Avoid apps that hide core features like formatting or offline in a paywall. And watch out for free apps that sell your data. Read their privacy policies. For most people, Apple Notes or Obsidian will win. If you're a student or casual user, start with Apple Notes if you're on iPhone, or Google Keep if you're on Android. If you're a power user, Obsidian is your best free bet. Just accept the learning curve. Notion is great for projects, but not for quick notes. Honestly, there's no perfect app. The best one is the one you'll actually open every day. Don't overthink it. Pick the one that fits your OS and your brain. Before you commit, do a 3-day test. Day 1, take 10 random notes. Day 2, try to organize them. See if search works. Day 3, export your notes to another format. If you can't get your data out easily, that's a red flag. Also, check the mobile widget. If it takes more than 2 taps to capture a thought, it's not fast enough. That's the real test. So here's my honest final verdict. For 2026, if you want free, flexible, and future-proof, Obsidian is the best for serious note-takers. For everyday quick capture, Apple Notes or Google Keep are unbeatable. Notion is best for structured projects, not notes. You can be productive with any of them. The power is in your system, not the app.